Good morning. Gudia here to assist you.
Hello, miss.
Yes.
My balance going and going. What I doing? I don't know na.
Pardon, sir?
I customer care calling, but my balance every time going. My balance
Sorry, sir?
going.
What, sir?
Yesterday my balance 10 rupees. Tonight I coming. I morning my balance 0. I क्या करें, miss?
Sir, which language you are speaking, sir?
Miss,
I don't know your language.
miss, why? I pure English. I'm
Sorry,
always
sir, I can't understand your language.
My yesterday 30 rupees putting पूरा cutting. Miss, my क्या करें? I don't know what I can do.
Sorry,
Miss.
sir, I can't understand your language, so that's why I can't help you for that. Okay, sir? So kindly speak in Hindi or in English.
Miss, what is your name? Miss, give it to Rosni. What say Rosni? One girl name. I previously talking. Miss, you hear? You hear, miss?
No, sir, I can't hear you.
You know ears. Why you don't hear me? You hear me?
No, sir.
My balance cutting. Always. What I do?
Can't you release this call?
My number this balance from this number balance cutting. I don't know what to do, miss. Miss,
Sorry, sir, I can't understand your language, so that's why I'm releasing your call. Thank you, sir.
miss, don't do na. One time na, miss, please. One time listen, miss.